Ah, we're in! Let's go! Grab the money, boys! And girls? So here today on Cool Stuff, we're gonna go inside the Walker Building, named after the Walker brothers. They moved to the United States in the 1800s. We're gonna show you some of the cool stuff that's inside that dates all the way back to the year 1911. So when you're inside the Walker Building, there's a lot of really cool things that have not changed. This marble dates all the way back to 1911, 1912 when the building was completed. You can think of how much work had to go in. You'll see like they've matched the marble veins going through. It's definitely a hidden treasure in Salt Lake City. This building was actually the tallest building between Chicago and San Francisco when it was first built. That's pretty amazing considering little Salty was growing up at the time. It's kind of cool to be in a building that predates World War I. You think about all the history that's happened in the world, let alone here in the state of Utah, since this building has been built. Like everything here looks original. I wonder if I can get this open. It opens. Hey, how's it going? Hey! Have a great day! All right, so I'm actually on the 19th floor of the Walker Building. Here we go. We're gonna go up and check out the crow's nest and the tower. I know my photographer, Ryan, he loves heights, right? Check this out. Great view of Salt Lake City. I guess it's not a crow's nest, right? It's bird's nest.
Eagle's nest.
Eagle's nest, because it's not. These aren't crows. These are eagles, obviously. So one of the most iconic things about the Walker Building is, of course, the tower. People in the state of Utah, all over the valley, used to be able to tell what the weather forecast was going to be based on what the tower was doing. So as you can see, it's kind of snowing behind us. That means that the sign would be blinking red. This sign right here was able to tell people whether or not it was going to be a good day or a cloudy day or a snowy day. So I grew up in Taylorsville. My grandma used to read a poem to us that would tell us what the sign meant. I actually wrote it down here. Here we go. Solid blue, skies are two. Blinking blue, rain is due. Solid red, rain ahead. Blinking red, snow instead. So Lee is up here with us. Tell us a little bit about what we're doing up here.
So we're on the very top of the Walker Center. You have the tower right above us, goes 70 feet up in the air. So this tower was put on in the 1950s for KDYL TV, and then it got taken down in the early 1980s due to side noise. When the current ownership bought the building in 2006, one of the principal owners, Jim Tozier, he wanted the tower back on. So he was very instrumental to put that tower back on.
Next time you're in Salt Lake, take a look and that will kind of give you an idea of what the weather's going to be. You know, if you don't have your weather app open, people used to sneak up here and put their initials in. So whoever this was, 1964, maybe they're watching. I asked if I could put my my initials on. The answer was no. I'm kind of snooping around in the basement. This door looks very, very sketchy. I want to see what's in here though. Let's go play. That looks so dark and scary. I can't wait. Look at this. Oh, dude. This was the original coin elevator. Can I play with these? Can I push these buttons? So down in the basement, this is one of the inactive boilers. This was put here in the 1970s. They deactivated it in 2006, but they decided it was too big, too hard to cut it up and get it out. Right here, this would be the original vault entrance. And then you had the big safe door here. Like, oh, it's so heavy. I feel like such a wuss. But you can see the original ornate, carving in there. And then there's another set of doors here that would lead into the vault, which is just a massive maze of a structure in here of where they would keep, not just money, but important documents, stocks and bonds, trading certificates. I feel like an old heist movie. Like you get in and it's like, okay, boys, we've got 15 seconds to get out of here, see? I have to have the mustache. I don't have. So our big thanks to Lee Clark from Vector Management for walking us around the Walker Center today. Stop by, it's open to the public. Till next time, if you like what you saw, make sure you like it, subscribe to it, and comment below on some of the stuff that you want to see on Cool Stuff in Utah. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna go in and get warm. Ha ha ha!